Very good evening to one and all. As I have seen that people are using gadgets but they are unaware of the basic features of the gadgets. So I am starting this series of iLiteracy where I'll be sharing few features every day. And now today I will be starting with the Apple Watch features. As many people are using it but they are not aware of the various features which I am going to show you today. See, here in this watch we have one feature which detects the motion, which is also called assertive touch feature. So for that, what I'll be doing, so here I'm going to explain you how it basically works. So listen, this is my hand and I'm going to show you the motion sensor. The way I'll start my with a flinch you can move. See, so as you can see we are moving with a pinch. And if in case I want to go back, I just have to go to double pinch in the opposite direction. And in case I want to select turn down, then what should I do? For selecting turn down, just one click. See, it is connected. So with one clinch I have selected this, and with double pinch it's off. So this is how it works.